Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Epson L3252 printer driver in Windows 10 PC or laptop. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to install your driver here for your Epson printer, well, this one is quite easy. How do you do it? Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to learn what architecture, what bit your computer is currently running on. Now, this doesn't matter if it's a Windows 10, Windows 11, as long as you know your bit, you should be good. So yeah, so you want to go to search here, just type in system info or information, and let's go open it up. Now in here, you want to go to system summary, but by default, it should be selected. Now in here, you want to look for the section for system type. Now currently, I'm running a Windows 11 x64, but you should know what bit you're running on. Either it's Windows 10 via the system type here. So again, see if it's 64 or 32. So it's going to be really important later on. But go and just remember that. Next thing that you want to do is you want to open up any browser here. Just type in the following. So it's going to be Epson, then the printer name and printer driver at the very end. Now this one is really important, printer driver. So this is what we're looking for. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go access the official support page for Epson. So only access official websites for Epson. So in my case, we have this one. Let's go open it up. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here. And you should see the download section. Now from here, you want to go and choose whichever Windows you currently have. So if you have like Windows 10, 64-bit, go and just choose that. But let's go and select this one. You can go and expand drivers, and you have two drivers that you need to install. Now either the scanner driver and the printer driver. Now since you want to install these two here, you want to go and click on download in one of each here, and you want to go and click on I agree, click on download. And that should be downloaded. Now you want to go and go back to your driver section here. Click on download again on your scanner driver. And once it's done, you can go open up this in a new folder where you have this downloaded. Now first is we want to run the .exe file for the actual printer. Now just going to double click on it. And it's going to start extracting the files here. As you can see, you can go and select this as your default printer. And also you can automatically update your software if you want to. Now from here, you can go and click on OK. Now it's going to ask you what language you want to use this for. You can go and click on OK. Now from here, it's going to ask you to agree to a few things. You can go and read this, but let's go and just click on OK. It's going to start in the installation process. This may take several minutes here, so you just need to wait for it to complete. But once it's actually completed, you should be able to start using your printer. So let's just wait for a while here until it completes. Now from here, it's going to ask you whichever you have your printer connected. So if it's connected to the internet or your current Wi-Fi connection or your current network, go and choose network. And if you have this directly connected to your PC or your laptop, you can go and choose USB connection. Now you can go and click on OK to proceed with the installation. Now also, while it's detecting, you could also choose manual here. And as you can see, it's going to ask you which port you want to use. So in my case, I'm going to use USB 1. So I'm going to choose one of my USB here. Click on OK. Now it's going to start the installation. Again, you may need to wait for a while here. And as you can see, our printer has now been successfully installed. This is what you should be seeing. Now you go and click on OK. Now you want to go and just do the same thing for your scanner. Double click on your scanner. It's going to start extracting and just basically follow the on-screen steps here, like what we did before. Now installation may take a while here, but when it's done, you should be able to check if it's installed completely. It's now installed. You go and click on finish. Now, once we go to our search bar here and just type in printer and just open up printers and scanner, you should be able to see your Epson printer. As you can see right now, the Epson L3252 should be around in here. So the series here, so as you can see, Epson L3250 series. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.